What's up, guys? We got Wago loaded up on the trailer. We're getting ready to head over to Hayden's shop to finally get a manifold made for this thing. But yeah, we just need to throw another strap on the back right here, and then we can head out, drop her off, and then hopefully within the next couple days, Hayden will whip out a new turbo manifold for her, and we'll be one step closer to getting this thing boosted. What's up?
What's going on, dude?
This is a 5.3?
Yeah. This is a stock truck manifold. It's got like the Chinese studs, the LS9 gaskets, and like the pack, like somewhat stiffer springs.
This thing's heavy.
Don't go too fast.
Oh, sorry. I only got one speed. It's fast.
I want to see a full send over that dirt pile. Oh! Let's see a 4x4 launch right here in the gravel. Oh. Dang.
It's perfect.
Got the back cut all out, 4-link all done pretty much.
Yes.
Just gotta
packed up.
finish welding it up.
Yeah, I gotta weld up like the coilover mounts and stuff. I gotta add some like braces to the top 4-link brackets too, so
Damn, that's
there's
sweet.
some little stuff, but pretty soon I still gotta put like an anti-roll bar in it and stuff like that too, do the sheet metal and do the fuel system, put a converter in it. But it'll be ready for the season.
It's come such a long ways,
dude,
from when you first got it.
Yeah, it's not like centered or anything, but it still needs to lower maybe like another 1.5 inches. I'm gonna get some 15s for the front too, and actually have matching wheels finally. It's my first car that ever has matching front and rear wheels.
We need to get that MR2 versus RX-7 race.
Yeah,
we need that
dude.
rematch.
Yeah, but
ever since back in the day when they were
coming out
both
like,
stock.
Dude, you're coming out heavy hitting though. You already
I mean, you're
you
4-linked and everything. You got twice as many cylinders as me, bro.
But no, I don't really know what it's gonna do. So, I mean, it might only do 600 on those turbos, you know. So
Only 600.
I don't plan on redoing it.
With the
Just-
4-link in the back, that's plenty to go like a 9.
Yeah, gotta get it done first.
Yep.
I'll be starting it on a Monday probably.
Monday, probably.
Yeah, dude, I just haven't been feeling the greatest. Been sick.
Start anything without a battery charger. Except maybe the daily driven minivan.
Everything needs a battery assist.
Shopping cart, Wago, S14, Hondaroo, or not Hondaroo.
Hey, don't put
Odyssey.
me in this.
When I bought my little jump box, I'm gonna go over to Kyle's. I don't have anything with dead batteries, but I guarantee you
Test it out. I mean, this jump box should.
No, I drove it in here.
Don't make me return it. Hold on, come on, baby.
You want me to try mine?
Don't make me return you. See what I say? You start talking crap and then it starts
No, it's
working.
smoking, bro.
Oh,
that
whoa.
whole nut's on like glowing red.
It's your ground wire, dude.
Dude, you need some better grounds, bro.
Oh, smells like crap. Yeah, it's loose.
It's just because it's loose.
Yeah, just push it.
A wrench? No, it'll start. I'm telling you.
Just need a wrench.
Hold on, it's like kind of tighter now. So
Kind of tighter. All right. So it kind of might work.
on fire. I don't put this
Just
out.
watch out, 'cause I'm back there to watch it.
I'll help put it out. I'll let you know where it started from. I'll just be like, hey, it's right there.
It's over there.
It's over there.
It's on fire.
Let her burn, baby.
that should be out of the way, and I plan on getting rid of this anyways. That and the fuel filter.
What do you mean?
I would just like to keep the
Just relocating it?
relocating it. Yeah, I'm not getting rid of it.
You can't.
No, Hush Performance, they make a like a whole kit that puts it right behind the
saw
firewall.
that. This looks
and I think I
dope.
might do that.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm just trying to keep the heater hoses here, but I think it shouldn't be too bad if they're like,
Yeah.
you can always make them longer and get them down and out of the way more too, so.
So you're taking this off to get it back?
Yeah, bring this back with us. And I'll probably throw this manifold on that red MR2 if we just throw a can in it. Something like that.
Damn. It's a big boy.
Big girl.
Just like that. Done.
Right there, dude. This is actually the turbo off of Brent's pulley. He's letting me borrow it just so Hayden has something to mock up the manifold with. It's a lot bigger of a turbo than I plan on using right now. Later on, I do plan on putting a bigger turbo in Wago, but I'm letting Hayden use this one to mock everything up with, so we make sure that bigger turbo fits right now, so then when I do go to upgrade the turbo later on, we'll be all ready to go. But yeah, that's gonna look sick once it's done. And then also over here in this box, we got another little part for Wago. We're not really ready to install this yet, but I figured we would show it. There's just a CX Racing intercooler. Then we got both the inlets on each side. So this guy is just gonna sit right up here, something like that. Then we'll be able just to run some 90s off that, straight to the turbo. Another one right to the intake. Shouldn't be too bad. We're gonna have to figure out what to do with the radiator, but obviously we'll get all that figured out later on. We're just gonna do 2.5 inch for right now. I'm not going for any crazy power on the stock motor. I'm shooting for like hopefully 500-ish horsepower is what I'm going for, but then hopefully one day in the future we'll build Wago and she'll really rip, and then we'll have to upgrade the intercooler and stuff. But for now, this should work perfect. I think that's gonna look sick, and it's like a perfect size for it. So. Dang, Wago's gonna look good once we get that manifold. I might just have to run that turbo.
Looks good in there.
I don't think Brent would mind.
Fills up that space.
Just borrow it from Brent real quick. That thing looks nice. What colors you got?
Green, blue, and like a light gray.
I like the green.
I'll do one of the blue ones.
One of the blue ones?
Yeah.
And a large?
Yeah,
Dope.
these are tight.
It's official though.
What's up, loose? You found this one on the road?
Yeah, it was really windy one day. I had to return it.
Dude, this thing is sick.
Driving, and I go, dude.
Dude, it
I was like,
Jesse's truck. It was after we test drove Jesse's truck.
Yeah, that's what it was. We went to Brighton. We came back, it was really windy. And I'm all, dude, turn around. So I saw like the 4 black feet thing. I was like, dude, turn around. I think there's a sign back there. And he whips around and we just like rolling, like grabbed it and then whipped back around and like so no one could see us.
Delivery Wago.
Oh, you even put the...
What, the
I
intercooler?
didn't even notice that.
Yeah, that's the intercooler I'm gonna use.
Sweet. So you just took the manifold off, right?
Yeah, I got the log off of there.
Sweet, sweet,
But yeah, I mean, as long as you can make that one fit, then anything else should fit that I'll ever need.
And then the whole fuel filter thing, that's gonna stay there?
No, I'm gonna relocate the fuel filter and that proportioning valve.
Okay, and then same with the fuel line then? Or...
Most likely, yes.
So, this thing's gonna need a fuel system anyway, so.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do all new lines all the way back anyways.
Sweet.
You got a baby walking on your stuff?
How'd you do that?
Dang, dude. Palm.
You got a baby walking
Like
on
this,
your
dude. Look, check it. Oh, shit. And then he just put like little dots.
What kind of toes are those?
Look how little ass toes are those.
Look how wide they are.
6 of them.
Look at this one. What kind of foot is that?
He just did it. Oh yeah, he's got it down.
Dude, Wago's gonna look sick once it's all boosted. I've always wanted a sidewinder.
I don't think we won't have any issues with it.
Yeah, look at his toes.
Oh, dude. Not touching my feet. I get the fun of trying to put this monster.
Holy crap.
This monster in this GTO.
That is a real man turbo.
How big is that?
I don't know. It's
80 something at least?
So it's like an 85 or something like that with a 100 mil exhaust wheel, but it's this big like race car that makes it ridiculous. It's a T6.
Damn, let's put that on Wago. Just put that on Wago and then put the one I have in that box and don't tell him nothing.
Yeah, he wouldn't notice at all. It's like this is like a forced inductions, like ballered out, like tricked out Borg Warner, but
You don't need it.
that's like cut everything out of the fender modifications trying to fit that thing.
That's a big girl.
She's big. She's big.
So me and Hayden traded cars.
Yeah, dude.
He gets the wagon, I get the RX-7.
Yep. I gave you something that actually might be fast someday.
Oh, okay.
I'm just kidding.
I watched that thing get pushed in while mine drove out, so
Yeah, barely though.
But it drove out.
Got caught on fire, but that's Boostedboiz way. Real.
Just freeing up some space, so I appreciate it.
All good.
Letting me store some
Let it
stuff.
go, not me.
I'm gonna get mine going so we can race.
We need to go get a glow plug for it.
I will. I'll go in like tomorrow or something.
I'm gonna fuel this thing up right now and go rip over that hill some more. That thing's fun, dude. Little thing sick, bro.
Oh! Alright guys, well we got Wago dropped off over here at Hayden's, so hopefully in the next week or so we'll be able to get a manifold all fabbed up for it, get the turbo on there and get her turboed. So, gonna leave it with Hayden, it's up to him now.
I feel like you're underestimating me.
What, when I said a week?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it done by Wednesday.
Oh, okay. Well, I meant, you know, sometime next week it should be done.
No, yeah.
Because you're still sick and you said you're not gonna start on it for a couple days.
Yeah, I'll start on it on Monday for sure for you.
Yeah, that works for me.
Yes.
Same old Wyatt.
Same old me.
All motor.
Hell yeah, dude! How many pounds is this? 10. 10 pounds. Dude, that was sick. 311, and look how much smoother.
Not even drop it. No. Continue.
No.
Yep.
I mean, I can move the Loveland around and just keep going.
Yeah, keep going.
Sick, dude. That rattled my brain. It was rad. Wasn't that good? That was good, man.
All right, we just got back from dropping my wagon off at Hayden's. Fong's over here with his car, and he just made 311 all motor, which is nuts. But Pedro's on his way back right now, and we got something to show him. So I mean, I guess we'll just unveil him right now. We're gonna surprise him. We got some custom shirts made. And they all say vote for Pedro on them.
Hell yeah.
And we also got we got these grills. Me, Kyle, and Brent have them. So we're going to put them on
They got gold grills.
when he comes up.
Oh, you don't do that to him. Oh, no. It's going down. It's going down, bro. Oh, no.
All right, well, we gotta hurry up and do it now before he gets back. Is he back? Oh, here, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
You got your grills?
I got my grills. Are these the top and bottom?
Just get them, just post them against each other. Oh, dude, what up, Kyle? What up, dude?
Oh,
I'm surprised they fit over like braces.
You gotta spit on you, bro.
motherfucking drooling.
I can't get on all of it.
I can't.
Use your teeth to...
I'm trying.
Bend them or something.
The Dyno ones look good. Just
You can bend them out so your teeth fit in them.
You're good. He's good. He's good.
You gotta be a gangster to have a grill on, bruh. Oh, damn. Alright, where's he at?
Why are you drooling so much? You can swallow your saliva.
You guys asked for it.
This is what you guys wanted, bro. We're gonna have to get some boosted grills now, you know what I'm saying?
They don't fit very good. They really don't fit right.
I'm surprised they fit Kyle with his braces.
I know, I was like, those aren't gonna work, but they work better than Brent. And he has normal teeth.
I can understand you talking even.
You know, I just can't take my teeth apart or they just fall off.
Yeah. Oh, you guys stay here. I'll go out first.
Alright, you go out first. Okay.
All right, you good? There we go. All right. He's here.
Action!
What's up? Now you gotta say now we mashing, bro.
You guys can't even talk though.
You gotta smile, man. Do I got the tick?
Oh my God. You guys are shut up.
Yeah, so if you guys wanna go vote for Pedro, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, you gotta take the bottom off.
Then they don't stay in their mouth.
The bottom. The bottom has to come off. There
Oh, that's a lot better.
There you go.
Oh, you got more vibrations.
There you go.
Yeah, I got them more vibrations.
Oh my
Brent's about to spit him out.
He already has a couple times.
Brett feels handicapped. He can't even like swallow his own saliva. Right? He has drooling everywhere.
Brandon misses his hand, but he got his foot back.
Yellow you got the pickles.
We got the ting in there, you know?
I can't even talk. Wait.
No, he didn't take the plastic out.
Hold on, let's see him. Let's see him.
No, but that's if we like heated it up and did it. We didn't, so you do it out.
I can't even get in.
What do? You heat them up.
Well, see,
You put them in
when we were
water, you
back
can
there,
bite down.
you had trouble getting them on, but he didn't take the plastic
You
out.
put that in. You put the plastic.
It's like a wax.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Like you tried to do it with them hard.
There you go. See now I understand what you're doing. Yeah.
No wonder why he can't talk. Because he fought off.
Oh, dude, it just blinked. Smile again.
They blink more than mine, bro.
You need to go get them polished, man.
Oh, hell, I don't know my shit shiny like that.
Hell yeah.
So that's what they've been asking for, so now you got it, huh? Oh my God.
got it.
Bro.
You got my vote.
You know how fucking crazy it's gonna be?
You got my vote.
Walking
You got
and
my
see
vote.
somebody with my face on their shirt.
Alright guys, so you asked for it. I can't really talk with these, but so we made these shirts. We only got a limited amount left. Or not even left, we only made a limited amount. So if you guys want them, they'll be up. So go on the website tonight and get your Vote for Pedro shirt. Vote for Pedro. And then we got the Boostedboiz in the back.
Real quick, we gotta say thank you, big time, to everything you've done for us with the construction stuff, and we're all trying to finish cars and build stuff, and you're over here just cranking it, bro. It's been well appreciated, brother. It's awesome.
Well, you
Very
know,
grateful
my
for you.
nephew's here, so you know I gotta take care of him.
Take care of family, you know?
Grill's not included.
Grill is not included.
We'll put in the description where you can get the tea.
I can do that. I might be able to do that. Oh, we still got to get you yours. Let me go grab it.
He's a walking
It's gonna look weird because you're gonna have your face in your face. But you still get one that's yours.
You ready to turbo this thing?
Yeah, we're getting close. I want to get the motor out first, and then once we take out the motor, I want to paint the engine bay the color that the car's going.
Yeah, because people may not know, but that's actually what you do is paint cars.
Cars, yeah. I paint
So this thing's gonna be looking good.
I'm hoping, yeah. As long as we get the motor out, I want to do it a lot more cleaner too. So I want to start eliminating a bunch
You want
of
stuff
stuff.
to be like wired to
Yeah.
hide everything.
Oh, he wants it show car, but also race car.
Yeah, so coming soon, in a couple of weeks, we should start on. We'll be starting on it in a couple. of weeks.
Yeah, this thing needs a turbo. ASAP. Alright guys, we're getting ready to head out for tonight. Be sure to go grab a Vote for Pedro t-shirt from our website. Link will be in the description. Like Brent said earlier, we appreciate everything you do, Pedro, for us. And we will make it clear he does get paid, so help support us, grab a shirt. And yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for tonight. Awesome day for sure. We're all rocking our shirts, so make sure you get one too. Limited time only. We only have a certain amount made, and it's gonna be the only set we do. So hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.